Hi guys, welcome to FemMNY. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here, and to all our subscribers, thank you guys so much for watching, and stick around to find out how I made this beautiful Barbie balloon bouquet. Alright, so this time we have our boo-boo balloon. This is 24 inches boo-boo balloon. So our Barbie doll will put it inside our boo-boo balloon. So before we can put this in here, we will stretch our boo-boo balloon. Once it's stretched, we will inflate our balloon. Let it sit like that for a couple of seconds. Then release the air. We'll make a cut of our balloon so we can put our Barbie doll inside. So I'll cut it right here on the edge. Close to the edge. See that? There's our cut. We cut it just enough so our Barbie can fit in. There, we'll seal this with our heat sealer, and I'll set this to 3.5. I'll seal it close to the edge. Like that. Sealed. All right, so now I got it here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our glue gun. We glue this together. And then I use our balloon yardstick. We'll put it there, like about this long. This is just our holder for the balloon on the bottom. Make sure it's nice and straight. Just let it dry. Alright, so just like that, it's now dry. So we'll put this back in and we'll test and see if it's sealed properly. Let's put some air. So just make sure that there's no air leaking through. It's properly sealed, so we're good to go. So now we will add this one right here. I got this from Dollar Tree store. So my plan is to put this here, but it seems like there's no more room, so I will just have to make another cut here and then reseal, so I can put this stuff inside our boo-boo balloon. All right. That's good. So final check. All right, so it's sealed now. Let's check. Make sure there's no air. Okay, there's no air coming out. So we can seal this now. All right, there you go. So now, since we know that air is trapped in there, there's no leak. So we will stretch this and then you will tie this end. So when I tie this end, I'm gonna leave room sticking out like that, so we can let the stick fall in there. Like that. So you can hold them in place. And she can stand up like that. Make sure that the connection of your balloon is on the side. Okay, so now I have my 260 balloon. I will tie this right on the base. Alright, so we'll turn this over. There you go. She's in there. So we'll put this on the side. This time we will inflate our base. So we have 10 inches balloon right here. Inflate this to 8 inches. Just twist this. Okay, and then again we'll put this on the side. So now we have silver, and we'll inflate this to 7 inches. Same thing, put this on top, and then twist. So now put this on top, make sure this is in between. So all we need to do is push this on the bottom part and then twist. So you switch their place. Just like that, and now they're locked in together. Put this upside down. This is your very base. The second layer is silver. All right. We'll put this on the top, right here. So see this? Just tie this on your balloon. Guys. All right, so we'll put this on the side. Now we have these balloons right here. We have 10 inches. Inflate just a little. And I have 5 inches balloon. Inflate just a little. Squeeze. So now you're gonna pinch this right on the center and then twist. Put this on the side for now, and then do the same thing on the little balloon. So one balloon turns into quad, and then pair this together. Just like that, we'll make an organic garland. So I already pre-made some of this with 3 different colors. So now we just have to decorate this balloon right here, making an organic garland. To attach them, I'll be using our fishing line. This is 20-pound fishing line. So I will tie this on here. So I will put one here. Okay. So I will just connect them all and then we'll wrap it to the balloon. So this one right here, I'm just gonna tie it to the base. And this one right here, we'll put it right on this spot. So just grab one of the balloon end and then find the other balloon end. Tie it together. Alright, so we're almost done. So we got this fishing line. We'll put one here. Right, we're almost done, guys, and before we forget, your balloon weight. So again, if you want to know how I made this one, we have a video tutorial that you can follow right there. Please check that out. This is actually 2 5-inch balloon filled with water. We'll put this on the bottom or attach this here. So grab the balloon end and then tie this here. So there's your balloon weight. Just like that, and for extra support, we will add some balloon glue dots, stick some balloon glue dots right there, so it's not gonna go nowhere. Then add extra detail to that one, stick glue dots right there. And there you go, guys. It's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, this is FemMNY. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.